Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. We're still under lockdown. Just opened a twist out. I know my hair is not the best, but it's okay. I know you guys joined me just to kind of watch, chat, and so forth. But today's video, I cannot not link it with hair acceptance because I want to talk about something that's not bothering me, but something that I'm seeing a reoccurrence with on social media, especially in the hair groups. And I want to talk about hair type or hair texture. And in this video, I'm going to use it interchangeably because I'm just talking about hair. Now, I see in a lot of groups, I see a lot of people posting a picture of their natural hair and they are natural. It's not damaged or anything. And then they post a certain picture and they say, oh, look at my hair, it's just not coming right. And then I will look at the picture and I will see their natural hair. And I'm trying to understand, like, this is your natural hair, so there's nothing wrong with it. And it really boils down to acceptance. And I'm not really sure what people think when they go natural. I don't know if they think that they're going to go natural and a different type of curl pattern is going to come out of their hair. I think that's a bit of a disillusion, but what confuses me about it is that at some point in our lives we've all seen our natural hair, even if it's just regrowth. I get a lot of people's parents, relax their hair or did a bit of damage to it while they were kids, and that's okay because our parents do their best and they do what they can and what they know. So I'm not judging. I don't judge my parents. I don't judge anybody's parents for doing the best that they knew how. But while growing up, we've all kind of seen like a little bit of our hair. So if you have more of an afro textured hair growing out and you kind of expected a type 2 curl pattern, I don't really get it. I really think that we have to learn to accept our hair as it grows out of our scalp because all natural hair is beautiful. Don't have a little bit of a disillusionment of what your natural hair is going to be like. I guess the point of this video, what I'm trying to say is be realistic on what your actual hair pattern is. And when it also comes to your natural hair, I'm going to say really give it a chance because when I did my big chop and I had like a teeny weeny afro, my curls were so tight. My curls were really, really tight. I didn't have any looser curls until my hair actually started growing. And then I started seeing, okay, I've got tighter curls, I've got looser curls, I've got a different type of, curl situation going on. But in a nutshell, guys, I want to say to you is accept your hair, accept your natural hair. It's one of the most liberating and one of the most beautiful things that can ever happen to an individual. I get hair envy, I get looking at another natural girl, but remember, type 2 curls, one type 3. Type 3, one type 2, and type 4. Type 4, one type 3, type 2. Like, we're never ever going to be happy. Type 2 hair is amazing, type 3 hair is amazing, type 4 hair is amazing. Just have a more of a realistic expectation of your hair so that when you are natural, you are not disappointed. Don't set yourself up. I guess that's what I'm saying. Don't set yourself up because going natural, your hair is going to surprise you. Like, as I said, I have different types of curl patterns and textures, but I'm loving all of it and just embracing all of it. So when you're on your journey, you like, I'm trying this product and it's not working because you're expecting your type 3 hair to look type 2. Remember, there's no product on the market that's going to change your curl pattern. All it does is enhance what you already have. It's going to enhance your hair as you see it. And I guess, guys, I'll stop there. Just a very brief, quick video, just to like tell you guys, accept your hair. Your hair is beautiful no matter what it looks like, no matter what it is, it's yours. God gave it to you. And just don't have a bit of a disillusionment of what your hair really looks like. That's it, guys. Comment down below, subscribe, you know the drill, and you'll see me again in another video. Take care.